Hello, everyone. Welcome to another nutritious and delicious episode of Chef Huie's Culinary Television, where I bring you plant based dishes inspired by the rich flavors of Jamaica, the Caribbean, and international cuisine. In today's episode, guys, I'll be sharing with you yet another very interesting recipe. I'll be showing you how I prepare broccoli and cheese casserole. I think you're gonna like this one. So, guys, before I get into the video, I just want to ask you a quick favor. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. What I got here, I got broccoli, I got a little bit of almond milk, I got a little bit of tofu, I got red onions, celery, green onions, and I have a mushroom. Guys, everything is already washed and trimmed. And also I have some cheese which we're gonna top off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and trim up my broccoli. I'm gonna prepare my broccoli and I'm gonna cook it just for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now my red onions. Next is my celery. Then next is my green onions, aka scallion. Next is my Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, depends on your tolerance level. You could choose to use it or no. Next is my mushroom. Mushroom already rinsed and dry. Now I'm just gonna slice. And so I have a cup of almond milk and some tofu. So I'm gonna put my tofu in the blender. Tofu in the blender. I'm gonna pour my milk on there. I'm gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast. And then now I'm going to blend. So now, guys, we have our plant-based cream sauce. You can see it's nice and creamy. If you're not a fan of tofu or you don't want to do plant-based, feel free to just use a regular cream sauce, like an Alfredo or any type of cream sauce. So at this time, we are going to blanch the broccoli. Okay guys, so now that we have added, see we have added our cream sauce to the broccoli and the seasoning. We're gonna mix these together. And we have our cheese standing by here, guys. I have two types of cheese. Both of my cheese are dairy free. You can feel free to use whatever cheese you choose. I have the cheddar style dairy free cheese. I have the mozzarella style. When you try this, you could use whatever cheese you like. So we mix it really good. We had a little bit more of the nutritional yeast and some of my special blend seasoning, which is salt and pepper with herbs and spices. Okay guys, so here we go. So this is what it looks like. Now, we got our casserole dish here. This bad boy right here. And so, you're going to what I try to do, guys, is turn the broccoli floret up, and so that way the stem, the hard part, is turned down in the liquid, considering that that part is harder to cook. This is just something you want to consider. Here we go. So now, guys, I'm gonna cheese it up, guys. I'm gonna cheese it up. So I had two types of cheese, guys. Feel free to use whatever cheese you like, whether it's regular cheese or it's plant-based, doesn't matter. All your preference. Just a bit more cheese. Okay guys, so this is nice and cheesy, and so we're gonna push it in the oven at 350 degrees, and depends on what type of oven you're using. It's gonna be dependent upon how long it takes. Now I am using a hair fryer, so I'm gonna start out with 10 minutes, but you will see when it starts to get nice and golden on the top and the liquid is all dried up, you know it's done. Wow. It's really hot, guys, so I gotta be careful. I have to make you see this. Look at this.